If you are constantly adjusting your shoulder straps, dealing with a persistent ache in your lower back, or finding your posture compromised by the end of the day, you are likely wearing the wrong size. We are going to change your approach. By applying a precise mathematical formula, you can replace standard fitting room guesswork with a reliable starting baseline. To do this, you need exactly 3 tools: a soft measuring tape, a full-length mirror, and a notepad. You also need the right physical setup. You must take these measurements either bare-chested or wearing a thin, unpadded bra so we don't accidentally measure artificial volume. Establishing this highly controlled environment is the only way to capture true, undistorted baseline metrics. Doing this correctly once will save you hours of physical frustration later. Step 1 is determining the absolute widest circumference of your chest. Take your soft measuring tape, wrap it around your back, bring it across the front exactly at the nipple line, the fullest part of your breasts. This diagram illustrates the most common mistake: tape placement. The measuring tape must sit perfectly parallel to the ground, front to back. Turn sideways into your mirror. If the tape droops down your back or rides up, adjust it until the line is completely flat. Once it is, take a normal breath so you don't artificially compress your chest. Write that exact number, in inches, down on your notepad. Label that number your bust size. This is the crucial first half of the equation that defines your total necessary cup capacity. Now we move downwards to the rib cage, directly underneath your breasts, where the wire or the bottom band of a bra normally rests. Pull the tape snugly around this underbust perimeter. Check your mirror one more time to verify the tape has maintained that strict, parallel to the ground alignment we established in step 1. We are looking at a number line to show how to handle the result. If your measurement is a fraction, like 28.8, or odd, like 29, you must apply the rounding rule and bump it up to the nearest even number, in this case, 30. Write down that final rounded even number. This is your foundational band size. Establishing this firm, even-numbered anchor is essential. A properly fitted band actually provides 80% of the structural support, preventing severe strain on your shoulders. With your bust and band sizes recorded, we can determine your cup size. You don't measure the cup directly, you calculate it through simple subtraction. This layout shows the core equation. Bust measurement minus band measurement equals your cup differential. Let's plug in specific numbers. If your bust is 34 inches and your band is 30 inches, subtracting leaves a differential of 4. That resulting number translates directly to a letter grade on the universal cup chart. A difference of 1 is an A, 2 is a B, 3 is a C, 4 is a D, and 5 is a DD or E. Now pair your even-numbered band size with your calculated cup letter. If we use our example, a 30 band and a D cup gives you a final true size of 30D. A cup letter is entirely relative to your specific band size. It represents a mathematical ratio, not a fixed volume. Relying on this calculation gives you an objective tool to cut right through vanity sizing. Because minor manufacturing variations happen between different brands, you still need to physically verify your calculated size when trying a garment on. This diagram shows the first error to look for: the riding band. If the back strap arches up between your shoulder blades, the band is too loose to effectively support any weight. Here is a close-up of the centerpiece, known as the gore. Error 2 is the floating gore. This piece must sit perfectly flush against the skin of your sternum bone, never hovering in the air. Error 3 is spillage. Any breast tissue bulging out of the top, sides, or bottom of the underwire means your calculated cup differential in that specific brand is simply too small. Finally, error 4 is back bulge. A little skin movement is normal, but severe bulging behind the armpit indicates a too small cup is aggressively forcing breast tissue backward. Mastering these 4 visual indicators provides a checklist to judge a bra's construction. You will be able to see exactly why a specific garment is or isn't working for your body. The next step is immediate action. Go to your closet, put on your current favorite bra, and ruthlessly test it against these 4 criteria. Recognizing that your current size may be a poor fit is the first step toward finding undergarments that provide the support you actually need. Using this mathematical baseline shifts the burden of support completely off your shoulders and onto the garment where it belongs. Test your wardrobe and let us know your before and after sizing revelations in the comments below.